Let's unlock an LED whitening lamp. If you have a locked whitening lamp, so you offer in-office teeth whitening and you're using a brand that has a locked light, this video is for you.
Hey, I'm Rach, Canadian dental assistant turned teeth whitening educator, founder, and industry leader. Over the past several years, I've helped whitening professionals across North America improve their client results, grow their businesses, and modernize their whitening systems. Whether you're a solo whitening artist or a multi-location dental practice, you're in the right place. Welcome to Mentor Rach, the teeth whitening industry expert.
What's a locked light? A locked light means that you can't just turn this light on and it will run continuously. It has, you could call it a chip, a guide, and it is required to actually run the session rounds. So as you know, with in-office teeth whitening, typically gel's only active in the air for about 15 to 20 minutes. So you're always putting on fresh rounds of gel, and usually you're doing that 3 to 4 times depending on what type of style you're working with. There's definitely a lot of lamps out there that you only have to do 2 times. Regardless of the point, you are currently locked with this system, okay? That means that for you to see one client for the manufacturer's recommended 4 contact rounds of 15 minutes, you need a new guide for every single patient. Like any industry, in 2026, typically for equipment, there are some sort of upgrades or hacks that you can do to make equipment run more efficiently for you. This is a hack for a whitening lamp that is locked and requires guides. Let me show you what you're gonna do. This is a guide. This is an example with a non-unlocked guide. So this is like the guide that comes with your typical manufacturer. You would turn on the light. I also can't get over how loud these are. And then from there, you would do your session rounds, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. One thing to note before we get started is anytime you are deciding to upgrade a piece of equipment or make any outside alternative changes to a piece of equipment, your warranty will be void. So if you are unlocking your lamp, your warranty is now void, and now you have full liability of changing the system, okay? Just keep that in mind if you are choosing to unlock your lamp. Now, let me show you what this looks like. With our actual locked guide on, you'll see when you insert it into your locked lamp, it's going to show you the guide status, and it's going to show you 4 of 4 sessions. This one's brand new. Now, once I run this down, then it's going to show me 3 of 4, 2 of 4, and 1 of 4. Then it's not going to work. Okay, so this is a locked guide, meaning it only has a limit of 4 cycle sessions. I'm going to let this locked guide run through a session, and then I'm going to show you that it's down, and then I'm going to show you the difference if you have an unlocked guide in. But let me show you the difference of what an unlocked guide and a guide that is locked looks like. So I accidentally broke this one. Oops, but you should still be able to see the difference here, okay? So this is a locked guide. You can see that it's a little bit lighter green and it has no serial numbers on. So this is a locked guide. An unlocked guide, the magic piece of the puzzle is the chip here, okay? A unlocked chip actually is darker in green and it has a serial code on it. That's the difference. So this one only has 4 15-minute rounds in it, and then you have to throw it out. This one has unlimited rounds of 15 minutes, meaning that you can use this for over 1 million uses. This one's just outside of a guide. Let me show you what it looks like inside of a guide. It looks like this. So you can see here, this one is much darker in green compared to the locked guide.
So now I'm going to take an unlocked guide, and as you can see, it looks so similar to your regular locked guide. So it's so important if you are, say, a clinic that has a lot of independent temps who come in and out, that you like note this somewhere, that this is one that you do not throw out. So you're never going to throw this one out. So I'm going to take my locked guide and I'm going to remove that now, and that can just go in the garbage. Now, my unlocked guide. Remember, I want to like tag this somehow so that all of my employees know that this one does not get thrown out, okay? So I'm going to place in my unlocked guide, and then I'm going to show you how it looks once it's completed a cycle. Now you can see that it's completed a full round, but look, it still only says 4 of 4 instead of what the locked guide said where it went down to 3. So this will always stay 4 of 4 because there's no limits on how many cycles this chip will hold. So friend, we just unlocked your locked whitening lamp. Now you can use it with any whitening gel you desire. Don't forget to follow more if you like this type of content and you find it valuable for your whitening clinic.